Okay, just sit comfortably and gently close your eyes and start by taking a few deep breaths. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. And if thoughts of the piled up emails make you tired, acknowledge them without judgment and allow your mind to be an open space amidst the fatigue and overwhelm. Imagine each inhale rejuvenating your energy and exhaling any mental exhaustion. Try not to lean into the pressure or anticipate the workload. Let your mind be that reflective space where everything appears and fades away, including thoughts about the emails that need attention. Now also notice sounds around you and sensations in your body. Your mind is the space where all these phenomena, including the tiredness, appear. Embrace this moment to find peace and create a calm space within yourself to approach your tasks with clarity and focus. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed by the pile of emails that need answering, pay very careful attention to something. Could be the breath or sounds around you or sensations in your body. Now direct your focus towards the act of paying attention. Notice whether you're lost in thoughts about the emails in your head, or if you can observe the breath without getting caught up in mental chatter. Check if you're centered behind your eyes or above the breath. Reflect on the nature of consciousness itself. Explore whether there's a central point of awareness, or if everything, including your sense of self and the fatigue, simply arises and passes in your conscious experience. In the final minute of this session, allow your mind to remain open and receptive. As thoughts of the piled up emails and exhaustion arise, simply observe them without trying to change or address them. Leave your mind wide open, effortless and free, and notice what arises in each passing moment. Once again, thank you for your commitment to this practice. As you continue with your day, be mindful of those moments of clarity that may arise amidst the tiredness and overwhelming emails. Acknowledge these moments without judgment and nurture yourself with self-compassion. I look forward to reconnecting with you in tomorrow's session with Meditator-AI.